loose!
Bring the wheelbarrow over here.
Make way for the cart!
Tenez bon là-haut.
Dépêchez-vous avec ces chaînes.
En avant. Départ hiver immédiat pour Paris. C'est attaché. Levez doucement. Attention à la hauteur. Check the template against the drawing one more time.
Yes, monsieur. The measurements align precisely.
Lower it gently, watch the alignment.
The holes are through. Pass me the pegs.
Make sure they are secure before moving to the next section.
125 meters, 4 decimeters. Secure the stake there.
Recorded, Chief.
Allez, allez!
Encore un effort, messieurs. Allez, allez. Plus vite que ça. Attention à la brouette là-haut. Yes, this is perfect. We can begin the concrete work.
Lower it slowly now, watch the ropes.
It's clear down here. Pour it out.
All right, push it back up.
All right, heave. Descendez doucement. Attention à gauche. C'est
The
parti.
ground here is too unstable, gentlemen. We must use the compressed air method.
It is the only way to reach solid ground beneath the riverbed.
Secure that plate now, Team B. We need more rivets over here.
Almost there, boss.
Watch the hammer. Lower away, keep it steady. Hold fast on the main line. Easy, easy, easy. She's settling in the mud. Lower the bucket slowly.
All right, start spreading it out.
Tamp it down hard over here.
Excellent work, everyone. The foundations are complete and precise. We can begin the assembly.
Easy now, bring it down, bring it down. Bring the jack in, easy now.
A little more to the right.
Perfect, set it down. Lower it slowly, watch the angle.
To the left. Pull hard.
Steady, it's settling now. Watch your hands, mind the iron. Heave! Now secure it. Drive that wedge in tight. Attention, ça arrive.
Je l'ai.
Watch the line below.
Clear.
Engage the steam, slowly now. Steady, bring it up slowly now.
Watch the beam on the left.
All right, hold it there, we have the ropes.
Heave. Watch the line. Keep moving. All right. It's clear.
The alignment is critical here. Group C, secure those beams now.
Yes, monsieur. We are setting the scaffolds.
Lift evenly. More power on the left side. Secure that beam before the next lift.
We have it, boss. Steady on the ropes.
Heave now. Tighten those bolts.
The levels are holding steady. We are cleared to proceed.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment.
Allez, tirez. Plus haut. Attention à gauche. Doucement.
Raise leg 2, 5 millimeters. Lower leg 4, 3 millimeters.
Alignment achieved. Hold position.
Hold it steady there. Lower it slowly into the position. And secure that beam.
Tighten that bolt, man. Put your back into it.
All right, this section is secure. Move to the next one.
Lower the panel gently now. Watch the edges. All right, steady on the left. Heave.
Plus haut. Hissez. Main Dieu, faites attention. C'est bon. Frappez.
Watch the alignment on the left. Heave. A little more to the right. All right, men, platforms 4 and 5 are clear. Start from the top down, careful work now. The surface must be perfect.
Wind's picking up. Make sure that seam is covered.
Got it?
Lower the main platform.
Watch the staging below.
This coat must be perfect for the inauguration.
It's nearly done. This reddish brown really suits her, doesn't it?
Right here, lads. A bit thin on the joint. Make sure it's covered properly this time. Place the instruments here, exactly as marked.
We need more rivets for the antenna support. Gentlemen, behold, we stand at the pinnacle of Paris, a triumph of industry and art. We did it. By the authority vested in me, we present you with the Legion of Honor for this unparalleled achievement.
Long live Eiffel. Bravo. Congratulations.
All clear on the first level.
Proceed to the second stage.
We have full illumination.
Step inside, plenty of room. Mind the gap, please.
It's marvelous, isn't it? The hydraulic power is simply astonishing.
A special edition, fresh from the press.
How marvelous! A perfect souvenir of the exposition.
Papa, look over there.
It's incredible, isn't it? We really are at the top of the world.
All right, everyone, settle down now. Hold your positions. And try not to move for the next few moments. Steady.
The achievement emphasized that humans have built higher than ever before, using iron and precision engineering.